Murrini, as in rods. I'm going to make some, and you can make it without any fancy equipment. Hope you're well out there. My name is Jeff and welcome to the channel. In this little video I am going to be making some Murrini rods that I can cut up into little pieces for a project that I have in mind. Now, I have made this Murrini here before and I've shown you how I did it in a rather simple mould, and it works well. But I've got to do it, so I thought I might as well show you again, just in case you missed the other video. The pattern in the Murrini isn't very fancy or anything like that, but I'm hoping it will be quite effective. So I'm not going to ramble on here for ages. Let's just get into it and make this Murrini. When we talk about design for Murrini, it's a little bit random, but I'm hoping to encase some opaque white in transparent turquoise blue. So they're the codes there, 1116 for the turquoise and 0013 for the opaque. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some strips. I'm not going to use these. Maybe I will. Anyway, I'm going to cut some strips of the turquoise blue, lay one in like that, lay another one over that, put the strips of opaque white in there and put another turquoise blue over that. And hopefully when it all fuses, the opaque white will be primarily encased in the turquoise blue. Now I've only got 3 of these moulds, so it's probably going to take me a couple of firings to get enough for what I want to do. So wish me luck on that one. Now remember, this is all bullseye COE 90. The schedule I'll give you need to adjust if you use a 96, or obviously for your kiln as well. Stay safe, make sure you wear your goggles, look after yourself, and if you've got any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section and I will try and answer all of your questions. Now I know I say it all the time, but please help me with the channel by sharing the video around, put it on social media wherever you're a member, and that would be great. Now if you are not already a member, please consider becoming a member. Your support really does help me keep this channel going. So the first thing I've got to do is cut more strips, so I don't have enough here. So I'll get them cut, and I've got to spray these with some boron nitride, lay it up, and we'll get it in the kiln. So I'll just show you this before I get the kiln on. I have put in here a blue strip on the bottom, then a white and blue on the sides, done something similar over here. Hopefully the blue is going to come down and encase that white. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes at the end. So let's have a look. How did it work out? Well, you can see a little line of white there, but other than that, it is encased. So I've got the white encased in the turquoise blue, which is what I was trying to achieve. What does it really look like? On the bend there you can see it. That's where I think I had a little bit in there. But other than that, there's a join there, won't matter. It looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'll take some pieces off and we'll have a look at them so you can see exactly what they look like on the end. I'm sure they're going to be fine. How much do I need? I'm going to basically cut all of this up into little pieces, roughly 6 mils long, and have a look then, see if I've got enough. If I haven't, then I'll have to make a few more rods. So there we are. That's what they look like from the end. Very simple, but pretty much what I was looking for. So I'm just going to cut all of this up now and just see how much I've got. Well, I think that worked out well. That looks pretty good, and I'm sure it's going to work well on the project I've got. Now, the mould that you notice me using is something I made here myself. I have some scrap stainless steel. I cut a strip of that and I bent it with the hammer and a few other things just to get it into shape. And as you can see, it's pretty rough, but it does do the job. Doesn't matter if those rods are perfectly straight. Really, you're going to cut them into small pieces so they do work. Now, I know Murrini is expensive, so if you want to do something like this, you're not too worried about a precise pattern as you would get in Millefiore. This is one way to make some nice Murrini. So if you've got any questions about that, don't forget to put them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them for you. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget there's some example membership videos up here and a button to find out about membership. Down here is a suggested video just for you and a subscribe button. And until the next video, I'll say bye for now.